Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at 3 booster packs from the Shadows game expansion for the Lord of the Rings trading card game. Each pack has 11 additional cards, so let's get right into this and see what we've got. This is put out by Decipher. The cards are randomly inserted, usually one rare with 10 commons and uncommons. There are 260 cards or so in the set, but this was a pretty popular game, so, and you know, back of the cards look pretty cool. So first we've got the more the merrier, Crouched Down, Invading Haradrim. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that. Haradrim. We've got a Force of Herod. Prowling Orc. We've got a Farewell to Lorien. We've got Mary. We've got Safe Passage. Squad of Herodim. Eomer, and Demoralized. Not a bad little pack. Let's see what our rare is here. Alright, our rare was Safe Passage. So we'll turn these over and put our rare to the side as we check out pack number 2. Alright, we've got Farron. We've got Strength in Shadows. We've got Mordor Scimitar. We've got Master Commands It. We've got Herolac, Man of Rohan. Yeah, I can't talk today, and I can't pronounce half these names. Orcish Smith, Final Accountant, Dark Powers Strengthen, that's our rare, Lost in the Woods, Mountain Homestead, and lastly, Ease the Burden. So, pretty good assortment of cards there. Let's pull our rare out and put it with the other one. And that, as I said, is Dark Powers Strengthen. Put the rares together there. And lastly, our third pack. We've got a Bold and Cunning, Master Commands It, a Champion Orc, Incognito, Orc Miscreant, oh those wacky Miscreant Orcs, On Guard, Crouched Down, Boromir, he's our rare, Isengard Siege Bow, Whistling Death, and lastly, Strange and Terrible, which is just Gollum in his underwear. Alright, pretty good assortment. We only got a few duplicates. Pretty good stack of cards, 3 rares of course, and none of those were duplicates, so pretty good spread on that one. I'd call that a pretty successful pack, especially with so many cards in the set. That I think that really adds to it and gives you a good chance to get stuff you need. And you can buy several boosters then and not worry too much about duplicates. We didn't get a whole lot of them here. But that's what's inside the Lord of the Rings trading card game, the Shadows expansion. So that'll do it for this episode. As always, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on the next episode.